Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.1 question number 6. Multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. Let us solve this one. Let us solve. That means you have to multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. 6 by that is 6 by 13 into 6 by 13 into reciprocal of reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. That means you can write here as 6 by 13 into reciprocal of 7 by 16 is 16 by minus 7, right? And if you multiply this one, you'll get the value, that is minus into plus is minus, and multiply 16 with 6, that is 6 is a 36. 6 plus 3 is 9, that is 96, and multiply 13 with 7. Multiply 13 with 7, that is 7 3 is 21, 2 it is 1, 7 plus 2 is 9, 91, that is minus 96 by 91. This is the answer, right? Again you see 6 by 13 into reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. That is 6 by 13 into the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16 is 16 by minus 7. If we multiply this one, plus into minus is minus. 16 into 6 into 16, that is 96, and 13 into 7, that is 91. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.